Simple video. Edit video. Black effect. HDR effect. Are you want this? Stay on video till end. Import the original video. Go in Adjust. Then open Graph. Set the graph. Open Effect. Go in Video Effect. Open Basic and select Blur. Set the effect on full video. Export this clip. Import original video again. Go in Effect. Open Video Effect, then Comic. Select Neon Effect. Apply on full video. Now add Blur Effect. Set on full video. Export the clip. Import the original video again. Add overlays. Select the edited clip. Set size. Open Blend. And select Burn. Import the second clip. Set size. Open Blend and select Dodge. Import the white clip. Apply on full video. Set full size. Open Blend and select Overlay. Set the amount of burn. And then Dodge. Your video is ready. Final result. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned.